Damn, I am. Damn, I just don't care, right? Yes, this.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, uTirelo posts this status and I definitely think that it is in response to, this whole thing of Vuyokazi getting married, you guys. Now, even underneath Vuyokazi's posts, on other social media streets like Twitter or the X streets, people have been tagging uTirelo, other people saying, who's umamkhulu umjolo ke manje, other people basically, quoting her on the things that she basically said on the last episode, on the last two episodes to Uvuyokazi. And I guess maybe it's getting too much because I'm just like, why are people tagging uTirelo noSibindi? Even uSibindi on his pictures, he posted a picture recently, and everyone is like, not everyone, but majority of the people are just coming for him about how he was not man enough, how, his wife, or how Vuyokazi now was, found a man who could take her seriously. So I guess, guys, it has gotten a bit too much for uTirelo, and she's getting sick and tired of it. And that's why she's saying "if you" to everyone who's basically tagging her, and "if you" to everyone who's basically saying, like, who is, like, who's umamkhulu umjolo manje, or look who. What did Tirala say? Something about like you finally chose to respect yourself. I'm proud of you. And people are like, well, look where it paid off while you are still in that position and the guy still has not married you. I guess she's basically saying she doesn't care. And that's about it. Your guys, like, guys, like, really, guys? That's a bit too much. It's a bit too much. But anyway, I know a lot of people will say, like, listen, she must feel a pinch of the words or whatever she was doing to Vuyokazi. So you know what? I will leave it to the public because whomst am I? As Durela said, whomst am I? To say anything about it. But anyway, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.